About the sulfuric acid.
And like Brian said, in this 20 more years, it fades the whole thing out.
Yeah, just
It's
as
the
they were learning.
byproduct of paperwood.
Just as they learn how to make it easy, and they still actually are able to do some turpentine harvesting, but not much of it's done, is it? And
Yeah, once a year up at the Georgia Agorama in Tifton, Georgia, they have a turpentine still, and they fire it up. They used to once a year.
this is sulfuric acid bottle.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So you fill that up with sulfuric acid,
Yeah.
and that's what you just dip that into the cat face, into the
You got your streaks cut,
yeah.
and you just take and just spray this streak this way, spray this streak this way, right on there, on
Okay.
a new streak.
I got you. Okay.
And
And that'll keep it going for 2 weeks.
no, the sulfuric acid keep them go 3 to 4 weeks.
Good deal.
And when you use the wood hack, they had to cut a new streak once a week. All right, when they got the turpentine, the gum out of the pine tree, the gum contains turpentine and rosin. That's the reason they run it through a turpentine still. A turpentine still is nothing but a large moonshine still.
Mm-hmm.
All right. They put it in that, and they build a fire at it. I got a turpentine steel model out here. I'll show you how it works. It'd be better to look at it than where we talk. All right, while we in here, all right, then they move the cup up every 2 or 3 weeks. You know, the facing.
Yeah.
All right. When they moved the cup up, they had to pull the apron off and the cup and the nail that the cup hung on.
Oh.
This is apron gutter. They call the aprons gutters. All right, this is a gutter hung.